Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how we can verify your website. That's mean how you can add website into your Google Search Console. Okay, that's mean you have to verify your ownership. So how you can do this, I will show you step-by-step tutorials. Okay, so it's very easy process. So this is my website, powerfultutorials.com. It's a WordPress blog website. Okay, so you can check it out my video description. You will find a link. So I just want to add this website into Google Search Console. Okay, the process is, first of all, so go to your Google Search Console Gmail account. Alright guys, the step number one, just go to your Google Search Console and select your website. So this is my website and this is the blogspot site. Okay, so let's click on this website. So checking verification, and you will see a pop-up option where you will find the ways how we can verify the website, like verify ownership and recommended verification method. Okay, so let's see and let's talk about this. Like you can verify with this HTML file. So how you can add the HTML file, download this file and then upload into your website. Okay, so and the few options over there, HTML tags, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager and domain name provider. In this tutorial I'm going to show the most easiest way, like HTML tag. Okay, and that would be manual, because you can use different plugins. Okay, so I will show you another tutorial how you can verify using plugin, but in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do it manually, like using your cPanel dashboard. This is the HTML tags, here you can see, and the instruction is over here. Number one, copy the meta tag below. That's mean you have to copy the meta tag. So click on here and just read the section and paste it into your site's home page. It should go in the, this is the head section and before first body section. That's mean where you should put the tag. Okay, and then click on verify. Okay, so let's do it. First of all, just log in with your hosting or domain provider. Okay, so I'm just on the my cPanel dashboard and just go to your file manager. You will just directly go to the section like public HTML and then click on WP content and then go to the theme section and then click on the theme. So I'm using just Astra theme. Okay, and just find out the header.php, click on that and click on edit. Okay, and then click on edit here. We already just copied the tag over here, so let's again copy the header and go to the header.php and just find the head section. This is the head and this is the end section and this is the starting body. Okay, so I just want to paste the before closing head. Okay, and just paste here and click on save change. Perfect, successfully done. And just go back to the Search Console, Google Search Console, and then click on to verify over here. And this may take a minutes, but I think it will verify very soon. Wow, great. So ownership verified, that's mean our ownership is verified. So click on done or go to property. So click on done and then you can go to the directly property. Alright, so this is the Search Console dashboard. Okay, so this is how you can add your website into the Search Console and this is how you can verify the ownership. Okay, so if you find these videos helpful, so please leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. So I will make another tutorial how you can use a plugin and then how you can verify. Okay, so stay tuned, see you in the next video.